Hi friends, today I have another episode of the WAS evaluation video for you guys. So today I want to address one issue that I think many of you might have encountered. The issue is when you are creating your WAS account, you might find yourself having this issue. So the identification number has been used. So because people from different countries, they have different kind of ID numbers, and then sometimes they overlap. And then there's no way CSSD is able to know this in advance. That's why you might have someone with the same identification number. The issue is actually quite easy to fix. You just need to send email, or no, not email, but you can do email. Email is easy, but it's not quick. What you can do is actually send them a website message from WeChat if you still have your WeChat. And then because on this way, on this channel, CSC can only reply in a day or two. And so I'm sorry this is all Chinese, but I'm hopeful that you can understand this. But in any case, this is the message you're gonna send to CSSD. So basically, you're trying to say, I'm trying to creating an account on CSSD, but the system is telling me that this ID number has been used, and my number is this, and then I already attached. Make sure you attach this this screenshot to show them that you have this issue, and then include your first page of your passport, and secondly, a selfie where you hold your passport. This is very important to identify who you are and prove that you really have this passport number. And then I'll see the stuff to fix it, and then tell them your phone number. So this is a screenshot of me doing this for a client. This is exactly the message that I included previously, and also the pictures. So within a day, CSSD actually replied, and it's already fixed. Please try to create the account again. And then I went on to recreate the account, and then it was very successful. So if you guys have any issue, and then if you want to get help from me, just send me an email. Thank you.